Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today hubby and I are so excited to share with you our new apartment home and how we decorated for the Christmas holidays. So the first thing that sold us on this apartment home was mainly the kitchen. Hubby and I love to get in here and cook, and this kitchen has all the space to do that. So as you can see, our decor is going to be very subtle, not too much, but just a hint of Christmas decor because we are still trying to get settled in and we just did not want to put too much on our plate this year. I am really loving this space, guys. It's very convenient. It even has like the USB ports where I can charge my phone while I'm in the cabinet on the kitchen counter, and I have enough space where I have my own little coffee nook right here. But just to decorate this place, guys, was just so much fun. It has tons of natural light. The apartment has very tall ceilings, and it's just a big, open, and beautiful space. So we have a popcorn station here for Christmas movies and popping popcorn. I wanted to make my living room very comfortable, cozy, and inviting. So I brought in some green plants. And I also purchased a brand new sofa, which is very comfortable. Our decor is a little different this year for Christmas. It's going to be Christmas on the beach, and that's why you see this camper here, as well as the starfish trees. The bookcase is my little reading nook, and it's full of our little personal items that we like. And I still managed to put a little Christmas decor in that as well. But the living room is, guys, all about comfort. That's why I have these throw quilts and pillows, lots of blankets. It's about having a nice, comfortable place to come to at the end of the day. And my tree fit perfectly in this apartment. I have lots of new ornaments I got, mainly a theme of a beach. That's why you see the boats, the sailboats, the seahorses, and the starfish. All that is to go with my theme, Christmas on the beach. Moving on to the guest bedroom. Didn't do too much in here, but put a nice, comfortable bed and some curtains and pops of color. The guest bathroom, I didn't do too much in there other than put down some things that I already had, which was this plant on the counter, my rugs, and shower curtain. Guys, the master bedroom is next. My main focus with this master bedroom was totally a retreat for me and my husband. So I didn't put any Christmas decor in here, just a little bit. I put like a little bit of something on the desk and something on the dresser. But this is our little retreat, the end of the day where we can just settle down and settle in bed, watch a movie, talk, whatever. So I just kept it very comfortable. I did buy new bedding, still use the same lamps, pillows, everything, my beautiful plush blanket. But yes, this space, I left it just as it was. Now, the bathroom. It is my favorite room in the house, believe it or not. Not only is it just a nice space to get ready in the morning, it's just one of these places that's so comfortable feeling. I mean, we have, again, these tall, huge ceilings. Gives the bathroom a lot of depth. It's really comfortable, guys. I didn't want to do too much in this space, so I just did a little subtle decor. I did put up that, a towel rack, a shelf, a glass shelf, and a painting that you see behind me. But it was big enough space to put this large clock. I found a large painting that would fit, and the decor on the counter is just that. The soap is definitely needed, but the other stuff is basically just decoration. It's enough storage in the bathroom to be able to put things away. Guys, I want to take the time to thank you so much for watching this video and taking time out your day to spend some time with me. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment. I would love to get to know you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.